Alright guys, so here's my new project. It's a 2003 Subaru Forester XS. Picked it up yesterday for about 2 G's and couldn't be happier. I mean, it turned out really good. It has a little bit of hail damage on the hood itself, so small little dings here and there, but surprisingly nowhere else on the car. So I think it has something to do with the hood being aluminum and the rest of it being steel, but yeah. Let's take a peek. Just your average run-of-the-mill Forester, nothing special, but it has a lot of potential. Actually has a surprisingly clean interior, except for these mats, but I'm gonna get the Subaru all-weather mats. It's an auto, gray interior, even though for some reason it looks beige in this video, but it's gray. Yeah, so for the most part, pretty darn clean, has a lot of potential. I'm really excited about this. I mean, a Fozzy in my life, it's just what the doctor ordered. So yeah. I mean, for 2,000 bucks, can't really complain. Not too bad.